Hey everybody, let me get this adjusted here. Hey, it's Phineas back with another video. Welcome to the Frugalfinneas channel. Alright, so today I want to make the Red Lobster, here I'll show you the box. The Red Lobster Cheddar Biscuit Meatball Sliders. Ooh, they sound so good. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to figure out the price. I'm going to make 10 of them because this is from Sam's. It's on sale this week. Well, it's on sale till September 17, 2024. So this contains 4 separate pouches to make 40 biscuits. I'm going to make 10 biscuits, and then we're going to turn it into meatball sliders with a little bit of mozzarella, and then a little bit of a piece of pepperoni, a little bit of sauce. And these are cheddar biscuits, but we're going to substitute cheddar with mozzarella cheese. This is going to be really cheesy. And I use extra mozzarella cheese to make the biscuits even bigger. So, and then we'll figure out exactly how much it costs for one biscuit, and then how much it costs to make all 10 biscuits. Because what we're going to do, like I'll eat 2 for lunch now, and then I'll take, in pairs, I'll put them in these freezer bags, I'll pop them in the freezer, and there's 4 more meals the rest of the week. Take it out, put it in the microwave or the air fryer. Ooh. We're in Missouri, and it's still like 86 degrees here. It's boiling hot. But next week's going to be 79 and 80, so fall's coming, and I can't wait to be fall-y. Okay, so let's get started. Now, I'll tell you what I did this morning, too. So we're going to put that in there. We're going to pour some water in there. And then, I think we're supposed to use half a cup of cheddar cheese. We're going to use mozzarella cheese. And we're going to put a lot more in there, too. Make it really cheesy. Make the biscuits a little bigger. All right, that's going to be good. And then we're gonna use these meatballs here. Like each slider, only take like 4 or 5 meatballs. We'll cut them in half, and then we'll put. You get this at Sam's too, 18 bucks for 6 pounds. Walmart has them 20 bucks for 6 pounds, so a little cheaper at Sam's. And then we're gonna just put a couple pieces of pepperoni on it. 3 or 4 pieces of pepperoni on it. I'll top a little bit of cheese at the end when it's all done. And then you put a little butter in the bowl. You melt the butter, and then Red Lobster gives you a little garlic little thing to brush on the biscuits at the end. We'll microwave that real quick. And this morning, I'm actually out there building a garden. I haven't had a garden in a long time. And I'm going to tell you what. This garden is not frugal. It's costing me a fortune because I have nothing. And when you have nothing for a garden, it costs a fortune to get this garden going. I'm not going to actually grow anything until spring because I'm a little late this year. But it's so expensive. I'm going to buy a little bit each week until I build up the garden. Like I bought 160 landscape bricks to go around the garden to kind of match the rest of the yard. And then I bought like 60 bucks in tarps. I bought some raised flower beds. That was 80 bucks on Amazon. I built those yesterday. This is costing me a fortune. But I'm going to do a whole video on that, and then I'll add up what I cost, that whole thing costing that thing. It's not going to be very frugal. But the butter's ready. Ooh. Yeah, this is not a very healthy meal, but it's going to be really good. So let me get this going here, and I'll just pause this for a second. Okay. We're already going to pivot a little bit because I want to make them kind of big. So instead of 10, we're going to make 8. So that's going to drive the price up a little bit. So we'll see what they cost, and we'll see what they taste like. And then I'll come back in 1 second. All right, guys. We're almost got them done. Got some meatballs. I'm going to have to eat these with a fork. These are going to be messy, but they smell freaking good. Put some meatballs on there. And then I'm going to put it back in the oven for a little while. Just like melt the cheese and stuff. Okay. Then we're going to put a little bit of sauce. And then I'll add up the price of what exactly this costs. And what I'll do is I'll have 2 for dinner. And then I'll freeze the rest for next time. Oh, I forgot one. Just a little bit.
Are you sure this is what you want? And she said to me,
and just a couple pieces of pepperoni.
Susan, he told me that he had a tough childhood, and he has taken
Pepperoni. pepperoni. Then put these crazy ass lids back on. All right, crazy ass lids back on. And crazy lids back on. All right. All right, then I'm gonna put this back in the oven. They smell really good. You know, I'm just gonna toast them up a little bit more. And then we're going to see how much these things cost. Each one and for all 8 of them. They're big. You might be able to eat one for a meal and then maybe like a side dish or something. Some mozzarella sticks or something. I'll be right. All right, they've been in the oven like 5 more minutes. Let's see. Ooh, can you see them? They look good. Let's see if you can see them better. Here you go. All right, here's what we're going to do. We're going to put it in a bowl because this is now biscuit in a bowl because these things are big and messy. Look at this. Oh, see, that's going to be good. And there's a little bit left of this, the topper, the garlic topper. So you put that on there. Then let's get a little fork here. Spoon. Let's see. Ooh, it's messy. Oop. Okay. That's really good. Wow, that's really good. Okay. Wow, that's super good. It's messy. You probably can't eat it as a slider because it come apart. So we'll improvise and we'll put it in the bowl with a spoon. But man, it really is good. Okay, so let's go over the cost of it real quick. Uh-oh. Okay, let's go over the cost of it real quick. There's 8 of them. It's $1.45 per slider in the bowl. So for 8 sliders, it's $11.60. And I think 1 slider is a meal. It's pretty big. It's pretty hefty. So I added in everything, the meatballs, the mozzarella, and instead of cheddar cheese in the Red Lobster biscuits, I used mozzarella cheese. Then we put a little sauce. We put a couple pieces of pepperoni. It's super good and it smells good. So $1.45 a slider. I'm thinking that's a meal. That's going to be filling. Ooh. And then, ooh. It's really good. All right, guys. Tell me what you think. I'll see you in the next one. One dime at a time.